Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm preparing for my family air-fried ranch chicken wings. If you want to see how I achieve these, then let's do it. Thank you right here to my returning subscribers. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. You are my MVP. God bless you. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome. And God bless you too. To my viewers, you're watching, you're out there, but you haven't made up your minds as yet. Please subscribe. We're heading for a brand new year and I want you to be a part of this with me. You won't regret it. Be sure to hit the notification bell and select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. My YouTube family and friends, I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you'll know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. Have yourself a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. I will see you in the next one.